I'm going to show you how to change the clock icon on your iPhone home screen. It's very easy to do. So if you have the clock icon on your iPhone home screen and you want to change it, you can always go ahead and click on the clock icon. You don't have to click it, but you have to click and hold on it to actually get some options here. So what we can do is, as you see the different sizes here at the top of the little screen here, go ahead and make that bigger, and then you can have that sit there if you're someone that wants a bigger clock size. We can also go ahead and click and hold, and I'm just going to put that back the way it was. If you want like a clock widget, what we can do is click and hold on an empty spot on your iPhone, and then you're going to go to edit at the top left hand corner and go ahead and say add widget. So go ahead and search for the clock. If you don't see it in some of your top options here, I have mine here. So from here, there's so many different variations you can have. If it's the world clock, a bigger version of it, and you can go ahead and add any widget that you want. So I'm just going to choose, I guess this one here, and you can add that widget in. Go ahead and hit done, or just click an empty spot on your screen and it will stay there. So that's really it. It's pretty simple. If you do want to get rid of the clock widget, go ahead and click on an empty spot again and go ahead and hit the minus sign at the top left hand corner of that widget that you want to get rid of. And we can go ahead and remove that clock widget as well. But that's it. It's pretty cool to be able to customize anything that you want. And that's it. That's how you would go about changing your clock icon on your iPhone.